G'day friends! Welcome to Australia! Let's meet some of the world's most amazing animals. Are you ready? Meet the kangaroo! Look, that's a mom with her baby Joey in her pouch. Can you hop like a kangaroo? Boing, boing, boing. Kangaroo! Shh! Meet the koala! She loves eucalyptus leaves and sleeps almost all day. Isn't she cute and sleepy? Can you say koala? Koala! The wombat! Look how chunky and cute he is. He digs tunnels underground. Can you say wombat? Wombat! The cutest little tunnel digger. The platypus. Look at this amazing creature. It has a duck's bill, webbed feet, and lays eggs. One of the strangest animals in the world. Can you say platypus? Platypus. The kookaburra. Listen to his funny laugh. Ha ha ha! He sounds like he's telling a joke. Can you laugh like the kookaburra? Ha ha ha! Here's another friend, the emu. A giant bird that can't fly but runs super fast. Look at that long neck. Can you say emu? Emu! Look at all our Australian friends. Kangaroo, koala, wombat, platypus, kookaburra, emu. So many special animals found only in Australia. What an amazing adventure. Thank you for exploring with me. In Australia, goodbye is see you later. Say it with me. See you later. See you later, Australia. Good day to you, friends.